Got the bulls out. Brother meet brother. Brother meets brother. Year and a half productions. That boy right there, puppy. Both of them really puppies. What's up, that boy? What's up, that boy? Brother meets brother. What's up, girl? I see you, mama. I see you. Step down a little bit. Look at that boy. Don't jump, Rocco. You better not. Look at them boys. That girl over there looking thick. That girl over there. Look at them bulls, man. I ain't even posted no footage, man. Look at that bull. Look at that bull. Look at that mama. That's a good girl. That's a good girl there. She just jumped off the bed up there earlier. He just a hater. He just a hating boy. He just a hating boy. Look at that boy. Looking good. Looking good. Yes, sir. You better not jump. You better not jump. You neither, Rocco. Crazy thing is, they mama in the house don't want no parts to come out. She not even messing with the bulls, bro. These two here a problem, man. We get to play all day, man. Hey! Hey, boy! Hey! That is your sister, man. Look at that boy Rocco. Come on, I knew y'all were coming down. Come on back up here. Gotta do your thing. Gotta do your thug this one. Uh-oh. See Apollo like he gonna run up on Rocco. They was going crazy. They seen mama. Look at mama. You wanna come out here? Come on. Come on. Come out here. Come on. Come on. Come on here. Come on here, y'all. Come on here. Come on, Rocco, boy. Come on, boy. It's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. So, mind you just seen her try to get out here. Now, she ain't for none of this. She finna say let her back in the house. She do not like none of her puppies, bro. None of them. I don't care who they is. She don't like none of them. She like me though, mama. Let her my mama. Let her my baby. Let these my babies. These are my babies. Let these babies. Them babies right here. Them babies right here. Mama's right here. Got mamas. Mama's right here. Get mama's right here. Mama's right here. Look at her. She act like her mama too though. Y'all seen her running. She ain't with none of that playful stuff. But you ever, you give her some affection, she gonna take that affection. She gonna take that affection. But Mocha ain't for none of that. It's alright, girl. I know you just wanted to come out here and chill with me on the patio. I'm gonna lock these hounds up. I'm gonna lock. Hey, don't, hey, back up, boy. Oh, y'all see this? See what I'm saying? This how it go. This ain't even a full count. You understand? This ain't even a full count. Look out. When I tell you, jumping. Her drive is crazy. Peekaboo, I see you.